da da da.
Perfect.
Hi everybody and welcome to Kids Kitchen. We were trying a new microphone that my grandma gave me, or whatever you would call it. It was just this little thing. And it wasn't doing very well. So we just decided to switch to the phone. And we have sugar, melted butter, and a teaspoon of vanilla. I think I'm just gonna mix that together right now, and then we're gonna add to the other stuff. Now we're gonna we added 2 eggs in here, and we put them together with the yolks and whites. So, whole egg. Then we're gonna add flour, sea salt, or whatever type of salt you want, and some cocoa. Then some mashed up nuts. Not mashed up nuts, but we have almonds in here, and they're all cut up into little dices. And for the oven part, you're gonna heat up your oven to 325. I meant to say 325 degrees. This is mud pie. I mean, I can understand that. It looks exactly like mud with little rocks in it. And if your kids are making this, because this is called Kids Kitchen, I would like for you to ask a grown-up to put the pie in the oven. Okay, and then this is what it looks like. Now we're going to transfer it from this bowl into this pan right here. You can also ask your mom to help you. Mom or dad to help you, or whoever's with you. Just a little bit more. Now for flattening this out into an equal surface, you can use a spatula and spread that out. And then, can I have this little piece? That is good. Okay. There we go. Now I'm gonna need my mom to put this in the oven. Okay. Well, our pie is baking. We're gonna make our whipping cream, and your pie will bake for 25 minutes. So let's get started. And you're gonna need some powdered sugar. And then you're going to need whipping cream milk, 1 cup of that. that until it looks like it's whipped cream. And that's going to be a lot of mixing. So.
Is it fast pouring?
Yeah, it's going to take a lot of mixing. You're right. I just take no breaks. And then pouring it, you can talk, and it won't take it down. Okay, this is getting to what looks like whipped cream. No. Okay, and then don't get that. Come here. Look, it's a flower. Because you can enter in this hello around it. No. Okay, it looks like littler and littler whipping cream mix. What does that mean?
I don't understand your question.
So it's like it used to be kind of like up here, and then it shrank down to here.
Crazy, isn't it?
What does it mean?
I don't know. Do you want some help?
Oh, and it's getting thicker. What's on the outside? You kind of make it on. Okay, so it's coming together. It's really good coming together. That is really cool. But it's really looking like whipped cream. So take a photo video. Okay, wait, this is the thickest whipped cream I've ever had. Okay, so this is the pie that just came out of the oven. You're going to be using little toothpicks. Kind of comes out a little bit dirty, but I don't think. I kind of want it a little bit soft. Okay, now need to put on this. Now, I think I'm just gonna put on these gloves and kind of hold it up and kind of this way. This way. I think that looks good. once your pie has cooled to room temperature, you can take your whipped cream out of the refrigerator and put that on top. Now I'm going to take with that, and then I'm going to get the rest out once I'm done using this much. I'm going to just spread that out with the spatula. Somehow I keep getting pie on my fingers. I mean, frosting, or whipped cream, or whatever. I don't like what's lost with this chocolate. Mama, can you please help me? The bottom of this might be a little bit hot. What I mean by a little bit hot just means it might be warm. This might be a little bit of a tricky trouble. And now you're done. And time to put on your chocolate sauce in zigzags. Bye and see you next time. I hope that this is the most delicious mud pie you've ever had before. Edible, and see you next time.